So for this problem, what we have to do is first define what the mechanism energy is. So here, we're going to start off by the mechanical energy of A is equal to the mechanical energy of B. And we can go through and really define what this mechanical energy would mean. So let's just say it start off that this is point A and this is point B, and that it's starting off at point 0, and we're going to see where it's going to go from here. So we have 1/2 of squared plus mgh. This is the height of A plus 1/2 kx squared equals 1/2 mvb squared plus mghb. Now we've already said based on how this is looking, this is going to be a 0. The height is also at 0. This is going to remain the same as 1/2 of kx squared. This is also going to be 0, giving us still with this unknown height of b. So we have here that 1/2 kx squared equals mgh of b. So if we want to find what the h of b is, we have to isolate it. So it means h of b equals 1/2 kx squared over mg. Now we have all these values right here, so we can just go ahead and plug them in real quick. We have hb equals 10 to the 3 times 7 times 10 to the negative 2 meters. This is squared over 1 kilogram times 10 meters per second squared, which is the gravity. And after simplifying that, our answer is going to be 0.25 meters is the max height. And that's the solution to our problem.